So I have a little bit of grass on this side, and there's actually grass over there on the street side. See how pretty it is? But a lot of this is going to go today. Okay, so I'm working while they're working. We just unloaded all this lumber because at the same time that all this tree stuff is going down, no pun intended, we're also rebuilding this deck. And my guy's working with all this noise and brush flying around. I'm cleaning up this. Woo. He's out there chopping up stuff. I'm moving all this stuff that's been gathered on the porch. So we're hustling, and I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. All right, they're tying up that tree. Oh my gosh. Okay, they're just getting limbs. Woo! Look at these dirty windows I get to replace. They've already taken that one and chopped it pretty good. Woo, here we go.
That way.
Little squirrel. Oh my gosh, I could never do that. Alright, y'all see it happening. They're coming down. Look at this. We've collected a lot of junk in the yard. But look. Look how clear it is. There's still a lot to, like little junky things in the yard, wood, stacks and tarps that were just buried under stuff, but you can actually walk back here and work back here. And if I go all the way out, you can see the back of the house now. Look at that. The gutter's off, but that's a major improvement. So they just asked me to move my car because they're gonna drop a tree. You can't see it, there's no way. But anyway, they're gonna drop a tree and they don't want to hit my car. And I'm at the neighbor's house. So here we go. Okay, I hope I'm far away enough now. Look who just came by and brought me food. Yay! You don't want to stay and watch trees drop?
No.
It's like the quietest it's been. I do not want that job. Look at him just swinging from the treetop. No, thank you. See all the... This is what falls on you when you're walking. Alright, do you hear how quiet it is? The guys have taken a lunch break. They are, they made a lot of progress. So I'm just gonna drink some coffee, take a break, enjoy the silence and the birds chirping. There's a little bit of nail gun in the background because we're getting the screen porch revitalized at the same time. But it's coming along. Just a nice little quiet break in between. Funny thing is that while I'm doing work in the yard here, I've met both neighbors on each side and across the street. They've all come out like, I don't know, they're at Disney World or something. They're so excited to see this house change, and they wanted to meet me to make sure that it's not like some shady investor or whatever, but they're really, really excited to see so much of the brush and overgrowth that they said has been neglected for years go. And then here's the funny thing. The neighbor on my left came out, asked them for a quote. So look, my guys, they better finish my job, but look, I'm cracking up because they're all over there. They're now cleaning out the woods of the next door neighbor, because I can see the back of his house and it's kind of junky. So he's already said that he's gonna clean his out, and he's paying them to clean out some of their woods. So pretty cool that their yard, my yard, everyone's yard's gonna look better, which just helps my resale value. And then look at this, I can actually see on the side of my house now, still a lot of ivy, y'all, but really excited. And the neighbor on this side also has stored all their junk, and they're gonna move it because now somebody here cares. Gave me a thumbs up. Still got a lot of ivy. Man, it's like I'm happy I can see the house, but at the same time, look at that house. Yeah. All right, here's all the trees that were cut. We're in the backyard now. Sun's going down. I don't really think I need this much mulch, but being that we have some holes and a lot of bare grass, we're just gonna spread this around. It's starting to rain. I'm so thankful the weather cooperated. Yay, look at all that free mulch. Well, it wasn't really free. It cost me several $1,000s to get that. Yay. They have to be careful of the tree branches in the house. If that branch breaks, it's probably okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to drive with it open. That is so much mulch. I think that's plenty. Okay, we have street lights at this point because the sun has gone down and you really can't see how awesome of a job. Grass on both sides now when you drive by, and the ivy looks a lot better. You can see the ugly house now. That's a big difference. It's still in the woods, but so much more tidy. I've got a lot of firewood to chop up and take home. Crepe myrtles are shorter. They will grow back. The wall is visible. All of these hedges are trimmed. You can actually get in the front door, and I have a boatload of mulch. There she is, guys, the ivy house. Tree day.